rebounds for Charles Oakley, and Jordan overthrows Pippen, who winds up 4 rows into the press sector. Price missed, and Williams has the shot blocked.
Jordan got that one.
And Pippen can't hold on. So 2 fast break opportunities by the Bulls goes by the boards. And it's 72-68. You've got to admire the Cavaliers. They're poised. 18-point lead cut to 1. Chicago tied it up, and then Cleveland scored 4 in a row to keep their lead and get the ball back on a turnover.
That's the 3rd turnover for Jordan
in a row. Williams hits 12 on the shot clock. Jordan has it knocked away by Harper.
Watch him pull up for the 3.
Price with Paxson in his face hits the 3-point shot, and it's 104-101. 33 seconds to go.